Curious to know which programming languages are easiest to learn for entering the world of AI? Here are the top 5 AI programming languages that are perfect for beginners looking to start a career in AI programming. We'll also rate each language on a scale of 1 to 5, where 1 is the easiest to learn and 5 is the hardest. Let's go. First up, it's Python. It's super easy to learn and has tons of libraries like TensorFlow and PyTorch that make AI development a breeze. This language is perfect for beginners. Therefore, we rate this 1 out of 5 stars. Next up, we have R. This language is great for data analysis and statistics, which are crucial for AI. Its simple syntax and powerful visualization tools make it a strong contender. Our rating is 2 out of 5 stars. Third, we have Java. Known for its scalability and performance, Java is fantastic for large-scale AI projects. It might take a bit more time to learn, but it's worth it. Rating: 5 out of 5 stars. Fourth is Julia. It's designed for high-performance numerical and computational tasks. If you're into math and stats, Julia is your friend. Rating: 3 out of 5 stars. Last but not least, JavaScript. With libraries like TensorFlow JS, you can run AI models right in your browser. Plus, it's great if you already know some web development. Rating: 2 out of 5. There you have it. Python, R, Java, Julia, and JavaScript. These languages will set you on the path to AI success. Hit the like button if you found this helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.